Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment. Here we'll see about fixed dialing numbers. So let me first take you through how to go to fixed dialing numbers, and after that I'll tell you what exactly is this. So what you need to do is simply click on this button that is call and go to your call setting by clicking here. There's three bars on your contacts page or calling page. Simply go here and then settings, and settings calling accounts. If it is a little bit different in your phone, just find that option called calling accounts. It will be quite the same wording in most of the phones. So in calling accounts, go for operator related settings, and here you can see there is something called fixed dialing numbers. Well, this fixed dialing numbers means if you want your phone to be controlled, or that only some of the numbers could go outside. For example, you're giving some phones to your employee or somebody or your children to whom you want that only this 2 to 3 or maybe a list of contacts should be contacted, or some outgoing calls should go only to this 8 to 10 or that control group of contact list, then you can use this option. So how will do that? Simply click on fixed dialing numbers. You can see you have to choose the SIM number which in which you want that those calls to be controlled. Simply click. For this video I'm enabling. I'm clicking on SIM 1, and here you can see three options are coming up, like enable FDN. You have to simply enable it. So for enabling it, first you have to change the pin. Change the pin code required to fixed dialing numbers. For example, this is the pin, right? So simply you have to change the pin, and you have to give a list for fixed dialing number list, or for that you have to simply click on this plus button, and in plus you can see there are three options coming, like add manually, import contact. You can either add manually one by one, like name and number, or otherwise you can simply go for import contact. It will you can go on selecting contacts one by one. Okay, so this is how you can import contacts as well. I'm not doing it right now, so I'll simply go back. So no contact. Okay, then you can enable FDN after doing these two things. So this is how you enable this fixed dialing. You can use this fixed dialing numbers list for making or for restricting your phone control group of contact list for your outgoing calls. So friends, I hope this is quite an important features in any phone. You can use it for your employees, for your children, or for whomsoever you want to give your phone, but to have this control group of contact list to be enabled for all the outgoing calls. So friends, thank you for watching this video. Please hit the like button, and please do subscribe to this channel for getting more of such informative and technical videos. So till then, keep watching infotainment. See you again. See you soon. Thank you.